back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry bundt cake, perfect for Valentine's. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am ready to show you my non-stick baking cream. You make this non-stick baking cream and it lasts in the refrigerator for many months. And if you leave it at room temperature, the same. It doesn't really matter. But it's really nice and creamy. With this non-stick baking cream, you could release your cakes very easily. It doesn't matter if your mold has a lot of crevices. It really release really beautiful. And of course, you have that amazing recipe on my channel, non-stick baking cream. And here I am adding 2 room temperature eggs. Remember to always use room temperature ingredients. And here I have half a cup of sour cream with no salt. I am going to add 1 stick of unsalted butter. And of course, we don't throw away none of the butter. I'm going to add the strawberry flavor, aroma, and color of strawberry extract. I'm going to incorporate it really good. Once it's nice and incorporated, I'm going to add the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 pinch of salt. We're going to incorporate it really good. And now we are ready to incorporate the wet ingredients into the dry. Look at this. We are going to add 3 tablespoons of regular milk. We're going to add it in here. We're going to incorporate it really good. Always remember to preheat your oven at least 5 to 10 minutes before you add your bread or your baking ingredients into the oven. You're going to preheat your oven 350 Fahrenheit. This strawberry bundt cake is going to cook for 45 minutes. Remember, every oven is different. When you put a little stick inside and it comes out clean, that means your bundt cake is ready. Look at the texture. It's nice and thick. And now I am ready to put it into the bundt cake mold. Let me tell you, with this non-stick baking cream, your goods are going to come out perfect. I am going to add everything here. In here, I'm going to tap it a little bit to get any air bubble that it's inside this mixture. And now I am ready to put it in the oven, cook it for 45 minutes. While it's in the oven, let me prepare the topping. Of course, strawberries, milk, powdered sugar. I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. And I am going to start adding the milk slowly. I'm going to reserve the strawberries. Add the milk a little bit at a time. We don't want the mixture to get nice and runny. We want it nice and thick. So really take your time incorporating the milk into the powdered sugar. And just continue mixing. This is the texture you want. Look at this. Of course, I am going to add strawberry extract to give it that amazing and delicious strawberry flavor. This is strawberry color, strawberry flavor, strawberry aroma. This is just comes out amazing. Well, once this is done, we're going to put it aside. I'm taking out my strawberry bundt cake, and now I am ready to release it. Let me show you how it looks from the top. It looks really fluffy. And now let's reveal how this bundt cake is going to come out. And let me tell you, when you make this strawberry bundt cake, you're really going to fall in love with it. Look how beautiful this looks. Wait a couple minutes before you add your topping. You don't want to add the topping when the bundt cake is still nice and hot. Let it come to room temperature. Once this is done, then you're ready for the decoration. Cover the whole top of the bundt cake. And then right in the center, add all your strawberries. You decide how you decorate your bundt cake, but let me tell you, it really comes out amazing. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Look how fluffy it is from the inside. I can't wait to enjoy. But before I enjoy it, of course, let me show you how it looks. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I am really going to enjoy this strawberry bundt cake with a delicious homemade coffee. Look how fluffy it is. The aroma of the strawberry so penetrated. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. I'll see you in just a little bit. Let me make my amazing homemade coffee. Easy, delicious, and why not homemade? I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with this delicious strawberry bundt cake for Valentine's. Look at this. Nice and fluffy, nice and moist from the inside. And of course, when you make it from scratch, even better. Excuse me. The flavor of the strawberry, so penetrated, delicious. Enjoying it with a delicious coffee. Make it from scratch and you'll know exactly what you are offering to your family. I wish you make it. I wish you enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her beautiful family. Excuse me. Just delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification button. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing strawberry bundt cake made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.